Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to discuss on a very interesting game called Drone War. Let's get to work.
I shall explain you the code. I have set the background to stars. There are many backgrounds you can choose from. I have created two new sprites or characters, John and Sam. I have created two drones, the green and the red drone. I have set the size to 50. When the run button is clicked, the green drone starts wandering. While the up arrow key is pressed, the red drone starts moving 10 pixels north, and while the down arrow key is pressed, it moves 10 pixels south. While left arrow key is pressed, it moves 10 pixels west, and while right arrow key is pressed, it moves 10 pixels east. When the green drone touches the red drone, the sprite, which is the green drone, stops wandering. And on the screen, the title will be shown as "Oops" and the subtitles as "You lost." Only if the green drone touches the red drone. So now let us run and check. So now I'll touch the green drone and see. It shows, "Oops, you lost."
Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.